3, 4. I don't believe everything happens for a reason. To us romantics out here, that amounts to high treason. I don't go in for your star-crossed lovers. In the heart of a skeptic, there's a question that still hovers near. For it begs the question, how did I ever find you? Now you got me writing love songs with the common refrain like this one here. Baby, oh. And all your left-handed kisses were just prelude to another, prelude to your back-handed love song, baby. But it begs the question, how did I ever find you drifting gently through the gyre of the great Sargasso Sea Atlantic Ocean? Got me writing love song with the common refrain like this one here. The point your song here misses is if you really love me, you'd risk more than a few 50-cent words in your back-handed love song. But it begs the question, how did I ever find you drifting gently through the gyre of the great Sargasso Sea Ocean? Well, the point your song here misses, but you got me writing love songs, is that you really love me. The common refrain like this one here. Baby, oh, there's one of your back-handed love songs. Now it's time for a handsome little bookend. Now it's time to tie up all the loose ends. Am I still a skeptic, or did you make me a believer? If you hesitate, you'll hear the click of the receiver.